The committee is called on the stage. This EGM is called for a very important reason because it was always felt that the recall of APPCC is a bit of a difficulty with people to express and make it happen. And the recall has been always been a challenge. So what we decided is, let us call in for a change of the name. So for which we will approach this societies, because we are registered under Societies Act, the Register of Societies was approached, where they said call for a EGM. We also proposed a name as So coming to the topic, the new name proposed is Association of Property Professionals Chennai. It will be called as APP Chennai. App Chennai. I think all will be in agreement on this point. So because your decision is the final decision for us, so we're making it short, sweet, recognizable. So APP Chennai will be sent as the recommended name now, and I consider EGM as it's passed, and we'll take this forward. And
I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone present here. In fact, without you all, this would not have been successful. I mean, this program and this sponsorship achievement of getting sponsors on board and getting Jayaprakash on board, getting Shiva on board would not have been happened. Because unless we have people participating, we will not be able to do all these things. And I again would like to request all our committee members to applaud our members for coming in large numbers. In fact, I think this is the largest gathering we have had as of now, as on date today, and this is the largest gathering we've had in the past 5 years, I think. From 35, we always have been having no challenge in achieving more than 20 participants in any of the programs we have arranged. It could be either a quarterly meeting, it could be either an educational program, it could be either a social gathering. We were not able to cross 2022, always. I mean, today we had our fingers crossed and we had got commitment from 40 people. In fact, again, I would like to thank all of you to be being present here. All 40 had got, reached the event venue today. And in fact, we have crossed 40. We are almost 43, 44 people today here. And I think as more members getting added, we will add more participation, and more participation will only open up more opportunities for all of us to network and make more business conversions. So there are a lot of new members have joined. In fact, we would wanted all of them to come forward and introduce themselves today, but since we are running short of time, we thought we will create another opportunity shortly where we will again meet, where it will be exclusively for that particular purpose. Today, the purpose is that we wanted to pass the EGM name change. That was one of the core reasons we wanted to meet, and also we wanted to have education program being arranged. So we also wanted to club that, since most of us were here only post 7 o'clock, we could not do that today. So I think, in fact, the list is quite big. We would have at least 10 people who would want to introduce themselves to all of our members. We will arrange a special Know Your Member session shortly, which will give opportunity for everybody to showcase their strengths and their fortes and network connect better. So I thank our President-elect in Air India, Mr. Shiva, for, in fact, it was a very short notice. The day before yesterday evening, we decided, we called him and he had to fly all the way from Coimbatore in a short notice, and we'll have to thank him. And also we'll have to thank Jaiprakash, who had us, and we are fortunate to have two honorary members now, both Jaiprakash and Shiva, who will be the first of the honorary members for APPCC. Of course, I'll start calling as App Chennai now. Shiva, we have changed our name to App Chennai. So Association of Property Professionals Chennai. So it's basically for brand recall and people to recognize our names easily. So we've been contemplating on this for quite some time, and in fact we had a proposal that we'll do App Tamil Nadu, but then we thought, okay, well, let it be more city centric, and so we are going through the societies. As you are aware that we are under the purview of Societies Act. So we'll have to go through that change. Once the EGM passes this, we'll have to take it through the societies. So it may take a month. Probably by mid of May, we are planning for a larger event, where we will unveil our new logo and our new taglines and all. So that by then we should have societies approved our name. And I also, last but not the least, I would like to thank G Square and LMAC, Royal LMAC for sponsoring our program.
Especially Palani, thank you. You made it happen, because I know how he has fought through his organization. So we know what had happened. So thank you.
We would have to pay it back. So definitely there will be deliveries, Palani, on this. We will do much larger numbers, except for one or two of our members who have already been contributing, like Ritesh and a couple of other members have been contributing from our association. We will have more people contributing in terms of sales. So we will have regular interaction with them through WhatsApp group and other things. Yeah. Thank you once again for all being here, and now we are open for socials and dinner. Thank you. Yeah.
Members, you know that we have a convention happening in Bangalore, NAR India Convention, in the month of August 22, 23rd, 6, 7. So we have an early bird offer, which is till 15th of April, which is 5,000 rupees per registration. I want you all to register for the event. It is going to be a fantastic event. We'll be talking about various aspects on real estate. It's going to be S broker. We are going to S realtor. So it is a very important thing which is going to be running around there, and it is going to give us due recognition. So we should be there to see that it happens in a big way. And I want all 75 here to be enrolling there. You be present there, in fact. So take this opportunity. Be there any guidance, we are there to help you out. And all arrangements should be made by the Bangalore team. In fact, I also invited Santosh to come and give a presentation. He said, I'll find a time and come over. So we are there, and I also want Shiva to give a few words on the convention which is going to happen, because he's been also involved in a bigger way there. So please, Shiva.
Thanks, Ram. So the thing is, this year's convention will be named Yes Realtor, because there's a lot of activity that no broker is doing, and we wanted to tell them that in real estate, the real estate broker, whom we call realtor, because you're educated, you're professional. So that's why we want you to call yourself as realtor. And I'm sure Ram will brief you on the NAR US membership that we have. So if you see, in the US, the NAR US is called realtor. And there are about 2.2 million realtors in the US. 22 லட்சம் பேர் real estate தொழிலில் இருக்காங்க USA. And the kitty, அவங்க கிட்ட இருக்கக்கூடிய value of money is about 6,500 crores. That's the kind of money they have. And NAR India is a part of NAR US. So the term realtor was given to us as a royalty. ஒரு ரூபாய் royalty நமக்கு கொடுத்தாங்க. So you have the privilege to use the word realtor. Okay? G Square is not a realtor. LMAC is not a realtor. The person who's engaged as an intermediary is a realtor. G Square is a developer, LMAC is a developer, your Bashyam is a builder. So the differentiation is very, very clear. So that's why we said we are Yes Realtor. This year the term will be Yes Realtor. and we have decided that in NAR India, we will carry this legacy forward. We will ensure that it will be Yes Realtor henceforth in all the conventions. So this year will be Bangalore, next year, yeah, so next year when we move to Coimbatore, yes, convention they will brief. So I'm moving out as South Zone head. There's a new gentleman who's coming from Bangalore called Santosh Avlaki. He will be your South Zone head. He will handle South Zone from here on. But I want all of you to come there because it's a great networking session, number one. And number two, these are things that can actually bring pride to you. It will bring a lot of pride in you. And this year onwards, what we have decided is, we want to choose the best real estate agent, the best real estate broker, the best realtor for you to understand that we would want to award that gentleman on a national forum. We want to do that. So we would ask your team, your committee to tell us who is the most active participant in this. You're now AppC, so who will be the most relevant realtor in AppC in all the quadrants that we look at, which is business, actively participating in events. So that's something we want to look at. The other thing I also want to tell Ram is, this time we're very sure, we want to engage Coimbatore, Chennai, we want to bring in a group because there's a lot of business that quite a few of you are asking that Coimbatore property irke enna pandrathu. So last time when some of you shared it, what I do is I put it on the co-area group. But this time I want all of you to connect. So I'm requesting Ram, Prabhu and Nazirana to help us form a group where the Coimbatore members will be there along with you so that you can directly interact with them. We will also see if we can, we are getting a few people from Madurai. We will see if they also are becoming a part of it. We will see the other associations in Chennai, which are a part of NAR India. We want to bring all of them so that you do business. Our primary objective is business. So in today's era, you need to bake the cake. Before baking the cake, you cannot fight. So first do the business, then share your part of the pie. So we believe that you need to come together, then start fighting. முதல்ல எனக்கு 10% கூட 20% கொடுத்தோம். ஒரு 100 ரூபாய் பண்ணுவோம். அந்த 100 ரூபாயில 50 ரூபாய் பிரிச்சுக்கோனா அந்த மாதிரி யோசிப்போம். So that's very, very important. So coming together is the first step. So I am requesting Santosh to form a group. Santosh has agreed. Kriya, Bangalore, there's an association called Kriya. They have 600 members. There's another association called BRA in Bangalore. They have 300 members. In Hyderabad, there's an association called HRA. They have 150 members. We want all in South. South, Mysore, we have 60 members. We have another association in Trivandrum. We have an association in Cochin. We have an association in Calicut. We want to bring all of you together so that you interact and you start making business. So this is something we want to do. I'm seeking all your support on this. And Mr. Nagaraj's newsletter will play a very, very important role in this. Very, very important role in this. We will ensure that that's carried forward across South. That's my word, because that will be our baby henceforth. Yeah. Thank you. And I want all of you to be a part of the convention. Please. Thanks.
I would also like to show each of you the national directory which was being brought out by NAR India. I think it took 2 years for them to bring this directory because the lot of data had to be collated. So all our information has been updated, whoever has updated, and the members who have been part of our association until I think it's last November, their information has been updated here. The post November, whoever has joined is not there, that would be automatically added in the directory later. So I will leave this on the table. If whoever want to refer it, please can refer it, and we can. I thank you again. E-format, yeah.
Everything is corrected. After that, the directory will be available online. Where, for example, Mr. Nazir has given an ad. You just have to go search his name saying Nazir. So this directory, sorry, I was writing a mark. This directory, you will have it as an app. It will come out as an app. So, for example, you want to find out somebody in Bombay who's doing real estate, who's your member. You just have to type his name, you'll get it there. Or you have to key in any word. For example, residential, commercial, you'll get the Bombay agent's number. And if you have given yourself in ABPCC's directory, you'll get a one-time password so that not everybody can access to the data. So we are building this platform. I think we are in March. By mid of May, this will go online. So online also you will be connected. If there's anybody's name missing,
Yeah, I will
given
call.
the roster,
Yes.
you can ask them to mail it to you. You can mail it to Ekta and we'll take
Yeah,
it.
sure.
But it has to be done before.
I have already made the roster, latest updated roster.
Yeah, so this one, if you want.
I will see the difference, whoever is not there, then I'll have
You
it.
can
Yeah.
ask them that. By 10th of April, if you can give it to us.
I'll give it
Yeah,
in a day or two.
we'll-
Yeah, thank you. It's all open for socials as well for dinner. Please join us.
Any other